What is a business plan? A business plan is a document that defines in detail a company's objectives and how it plans to achieve its goals. A business plan lays out a written roadmap for the firm from marketing, financial, and operational standpoints. Both startups and established companies use business plans. A business plan is an important document aimed at a company's external and internal audiences. For instance, a business plan is used to attract investment before a company has established a proven track record. It can also help to secure lending from financial institutions. Furthermore, a business plan can serve to keep a company's executive team on the same page. About strategic action items and on target for meeting established goals. Although they're especially useful for new businesses, every company should have a business plan. Ideally, the plan is reviewed and updated periodically to reflect goals that have been met or have changed. Sometimes, a new business plan is created for an established business that has decided to move in a new direction. A business plan is a document describing a company's core business activities and how it plans to achieve its goals. Startup companies use business plans to get off the ground and attract outside investors. A business plan can also be used as an internal guide to keeping an executive team focused on and working toward short and long-term objectives. Businesses may create a lengthier traditional business plan or a shorter lean startup business plan. Good business plans should include an executive summary and sections on products and services. Marketing strategy and analysis, financial planning, and a budget.